Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4th subject Moral Science. Today we are going to learn new chapter 14, Save Nature. Mainly we are going to see here today, what do you mean by environment? What does it become our moral duty to protect the environment? State some of the factors which cause destruction to nature. As we all know, Earth is the only planet where there is a suitable environment that supports life. What is environment? Only we are suitable planet is only we can live here, the Earth. Earth only we are living. The simple meaning of environment is the natural surroundings we live in. The simple meaning of environment is the natural surroundings we live in. It includes the atmosphere, trees and plants, land and soil, rivers and seas, etc. These all things we want, human beings, all these most important: atmosphere, trees and plants, land and soil, rivers and seas, etc. Thus, in a wider sense, environment means this beautiful nature itself. Environment means beautiful nature itself. It is God's gift to man and he has every right to enjoy it. This is the earth, God's gift only. God has given to the man this gift to leave the earth and enjoy it. For the same reason, it becomes a moral duty to protect the environment. That is the same reason we have to protect the environment. There are many factors which cause destruction to the balance of nature. Deforestation is one of the major causes. Cutting of trees in large number results in less rainfall, impure air and expansion of desert. Deforestation is one of the major causes, that cutting trees and large number of result in less rainfall. All these things we need. Rain also we need. Then trees we need. Then only we get the fresh air and all. Then in pure air and expansion of deserts. Pollution of all types. It may be air pollution or water pollution. Pollution of all types. It may be air pollution or water pollution. Soil pollution or noise pollution cause destruction. The tumbling of waste materials from homes, factories, hospitals, etc. Is the tumbling of waste materials from homes, factories, hospitals, etc. is another factor affecting nature adversely. Yet another cause is the misuse of natural resources of man's selfish motives. Man's selfish motives that also spoil the nature. Now you may be wondering why these serious matters are introduced to you. You may be thinking we are children. Why can do for environment protection or to save nature? It is true that government and concerned authorities are organizing constructive plans for this purpose, but don't consider it as only their duty. All of us are equally responsible for protecting nature. As children, you can also contribute in your own little ways. Let's understand a few of them. you are little children, then also you can uh, contribute some things and all. Keep the surroundings clean. We have to keep the surroundings clean. Or all the waste, any paper, any scene you have to keep in the dustbin. Keep the surroundings clean first. Just look around. You see bits of paper, plastic covers, waste materials all around. Keeping the surroundings clean, it is a small but important thing that you can do. Don't throw waste here and there. Put it in the waste bins. We have to we have to put it in the waste bins. Waste bins only we can put there. That all the waste things. When you see the waste things, you have to keep it in the waste bins. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson, and you have to read the lesson that much. Then we will learn another things next class. Okay. The homework for this you have to read once more this lesson. Okay. Then thank you, children.